Imagine running an entire business, creating content, managing clients, and scaling projects without personally touching every task yourself. By 2026, artificial intelligence won't just assist you, it will run entire workflows end to end. From writing emails and generating videos, to managing projects, handling communication, and even creating new income streams, AI will automate almost everything. In this video, you're going to discover the ultimate AI tech stack for 2026. The exact combination of tools creators, entrepreneurs, and modern businesses are already using to automate their work, and how you can start building this system today. If you want to save time, multiply productivity, and stay ahead while everyone else struggles to keep up, this is your roadmap. Section 1. The core idea. The AI Everything Stack. The future isn't about using one AI tool. It's about stacking multiple AI systems together into one integrated workflow that handles everything for you. This stack covers writing and content creation, video production, audio and voice generation, visual design and branding, research and market insights, project and team management, email, DMs, and client communication. When these systems work together, you can accomplish more in a single hour than most people do in an entire day. This isn't just automation. This is how you build a self-operating business or content machine. Section 2. AI Research and Idea Generation. Every powerful system starts with intelligence. This first layer of your stack handles research, insights, and idea generation. Tools like Perplexity, ChatGPT Advanced, and Claude scan thousands of sources instantly, summarize complex information, and turn raw data into clear, actionable ideas. You can use this layer for market research, competitor analysis, business strategy, and content ideation. Instead of spending hours searching, reading, and brainstorming, AI delivers high-quality insights in minutes, giving you clarity before others even get started. Section 3. AI Writing and Content Creation. The second layer of the stack is messaging and written content. With tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper AI, you can generate scripts, emails, blog posts, proposals, newsletters, and marketing copy on demand. These tools don't just write faster, they help structure ideas, refine tone, and adapt messaging for different platforms. When you combine AI research with AI writing, a single prompt can produce fully fleshed out content in minutes. Your stack now has a writing engine that runs 24/7, never gets tired, and scales infinitely. Section 4. AI Design and Visual Creation. Next comes visuals and branding. Design tasks that once took hours or even days are now automated. With tools like Canva AI, Leonardo AI, and Recraft, you can instantly generate thumbnails, social media graphics, posters, logos, icons, and illustrations. You can also create photorealistic product shots and brand visuals without a designer. Combined with AI writing, your content is now fully packaged and ready to publish in minutes. Section 5. AI Video Creation. Video has always been the most time-consuming content format. AI completely changes that. Tools like Pika Labs, Runway, and Synthesia can convert scripts into fully edited videos automatically. They handle B-roll, captions, transitions, effects, and even faceless video creation without filming or manual editing. Your stack now manages video production almost entirely on autopilot, removing the biggest bottleneck in content creation. Section 6. AI Voice and Audio Generation. Now comes narration and sound. With tools like ElevenLabs and PlayHT, you can clone voices, generate professional narrations, and produce audio in any tone or style. This works for YouTube videos, podcasts, ads, and faceless content. One AI voice tool can replace an entire audio production team, saving hours of work on every project. Section 7. AI Project and Workflow Management. Automation only works if everything stays organized. That's where AI project managers come in. Tools like Notion AI, ClickUp AI, and Trello AI can automatically sort tasks, prioritize work, assign deadlines, and track progress. They can summarize meetings, generate updates, and keep everything moving without constant supervision. At this point, your stack isn't just creating content, it's managing itself. Section 8. AI Email and Communication Automation. Communication is one of the biggest productivity killers. AI fixes that too. With Gmail AI, ChatGPT inbox assistance, and DM automation tools, replies are drafted automatically, follow-ups are scheduled, and inquiries are handled at scale. You can send personalized messages without manually writing each one. Instead of spending hours answering emails and DMs, AI handles communication in the background while you focus on high-level work. Section 9. AI Analytics and Optimization. No system is complete without feedback. This layer tracks performance and improves results automatically. Tools like ChatGPT Analytics, Google Gemini AI, and Zapier integrations analyze campaigns, content performance, and audience behavior. They generate insights, optimization plans, and automated reports. Your stack now doesn't just work. It learns and improves itself over time, maximizing efficiency and ROI. Section 10. How the stack works together. Here's how a fully integrated AI workflow operates. Research tools scan the web for trends and opportunities. Writing tools generate scripts, emails, and copy. Design tools create visuals and branding. Video tools turn scripts into finished videos. Audio tools generate voiceovers. Management tools organize projects automatically. Communication tools handle outreach and replies. Analytics tools monitor results and suggest improvements. Everything runs in parallel. One person can now manage dozens of projects or content pipelines simultaneously. Section 11. Why this stack matters in 2026. By 2026, AI will handle nearly every repetitive or creative task: content creation, marketing research and strategy, project management, communication design, video and audio production. Those who understand and leverage this stack will dominate their industries. Those who don't will struggle to compete. This isn't hype. This is the reality of the next 12 to 24 months. Section 12. How to start building your stack today. Start simple. Pick one AI tool for each layer of your workflow. Test and combine them into a single system. Focus your energy on decision-making and strategy. Scale operations without adding more human labor. Continuously upgrade your stack as new tools emerge. Build the system step by step until much of your business runs itself. This is the ultimate AI tech stack for 2026. It allows you to automate content, communication, management, and optimization without working harder. Subscribe for more videos breaking down AI tools, automation systems, and faceless strategies to multiply productivity and grow income. If AI can automate almost everything by 2026, will it free humans to focus on creativity and strategy, or will it replace traditional jobs entirely?